Welcome to Liquid Productions, where our music tells stories of emotions and life experiences. Every track we create is its own unique journey, sometimes calm and peaceful, other times full of excitement and unexpected turns. Just like life, our music has its ups and downs, with each piece sharing a different story. We want to take you on an emotional and mental journey through sound, a place where you can connect with yourself. Each track mixes moments of silence, passion, calm, and the little challenges that life brings. Our style blends cinematic ambient, electronic orchestral, and dark atmospheric sounds, three styles that come together to create a deep and powerful atmosphere. To get a better sense of each track, be sure to check out the description. Every song has its own story we're excited to share with you. We'd love for you to join us on this musical journey by listening and supporting our work. Your likes, comments, and subscriptions help us build this community of music lovers.